If you're looking for a fresh new way to generate an amazing income working from home, then make sure you pay very close attention to this video. Because what I'm about to share with you is a method that's in demand right now, and its demand is only going to increase in the near future. And I can assure you that you have never come across anything similar to this. And no, it doesn't require that you have a website, build an email list, create your own products, learn affiliate marketing, or even build an e-commerce store. As a matter of fact, I'm sure that you have used this industry at one time or another, but you just haven't been getting paid for it. What am I referring to? Video games. Well, flipping video games to be precise. Hey, it's Ejal. Now, before you think I'm off my rocker, what if I told you that I know of a few people that have made over 1 million euros in the last 3 years using a very unique method of flipping video games for profit? One of those people is my good friend Chanze, and he was easily banking an extra $2,000 per month with just an hour or two worth of work per day. Best of all, this is a method that anyone can do right out the gate. It doesn't require any expertise, and you could realistically start seeing profits in as fast as 3 days, sometimes even less than that. So, if you're looking for a way to make a side income or replace your full-time income, then you're definitely in the right place. Because we've put together the entire method along with an easy-to-use software app in a brand new resource that we are calling MoneyCraft. And MoneyCraft is the easy method for anyone that wants to level up their income flipping video games for profit. Best of all, it only takes 3 steps to start getting paid quickly. After you set up all the accounts necessary, which we'll show you how, and it doesn't take long, you only need the following steps to start earning quickly. Step 1. Log into the MoneyCraft app to search for profitable game deals. Step 2. Snag your keys for cheap and relist them on the underground platform we show you. Step 3. Sit back and get paid quickly when someone purchases your listing. And that's it. It really doesn't take a rocket scientist to use this method, especially since more and more people are playing video games today than ever before. You could get started today and start seeing profits in the next 7 days or less, sometimes even in 24 to 48 hours. You can see the full details below this video, as well as a demo of the MoneyCraft app in action. The software will go out and search over 25 websites that are very similar to the network you will be selling your games on. You only need to put the game in that you want to research, and the app will go out and search that game on multiple networks to give you a bird's eye view of the price for that particular game. With this information at your fingertips, you'll be able to instantly see where you have an opportunity for profit, so you don't waste precious time. Along with that, we'll also make sure to outline all the steps necessary in our easy to follow along PDF guide. Plus, we've also put together some great training videos to help you get up and running quickly. Hey, it's Ejal, and in this video, I'm going to show you the MoneyCraft system in action. You're going to see how easy it is to find deals on popular games and flip them for profit in literally minutes. Now, before I actually log in to the app itself, what I would like to show you is the possibility of income that you have with MoneyCraft. Now, what you're seeing here is the transactions page inside the secret marketplace that we uncover inside the MoneyCraft training. And as you can see, this page is full of transactions. And if I show you here, you'll be able to see that we have done over 5,500 transactions, and in total we have processed over 160,000 euros in sales in just this one account. And you know what I basically want to share before I actually go and dive inside the app is the possibility that comes with the MoneyCraft system. If you put the info that we have here in action, I can assure you that results will be in your lap. Now, what you're seeing on your screen here is the secret marketplace that we uncover inside the MoneyCraft training. What you're seeing on your screen is a very popular game called Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, and as you can see, it sells for 25 euros on this platform. Now, our goal is to find this particular game for cheaper and then come back and list it on this platform and then sell it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this particular game's name, and as you can see, this is an Xbox One edition United States key. So I'm gonna go back to MoneyCraft. I'm gonna log into the app, and then I'm gonna search for this particular game. Now as I press the search button, what MoneyCraft software does is that it goes to about 25 websites very similar to the particular network that I just showed you, and it's finding this particular game for cheap on those sites. And you're gonna see in just a few moments how quickly it's gonna fetch all the results and it's gonna bring us the cheapest deals. Now as you can see, we have about 206 results. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it in this search bar just to filter the results. And now let's sort the results by pricing. Again, what we're looking for is the deluxe edition for United States. This one's for the UK. And here we have this one that is for United States. Let's go ahead and view this. As you can see, this particular game is the similar one to the one that is selling actively on our underground marketplace, and on this side it's selling only for 10 euros. On this side we can sell it for 25 euros on the secret marketplace, right? So what I'm gonna do is I can go ahead and I can grab, say, 10 keys of this particular game, and then I can come back and list it on this particular site, and I'm gonna be making 15 euros every time someone purchases. And this is just one example. I'm gonna go ahead and show you another one. This here is another game called Horizon Zero Dawn, and it's actively selling for about 18 euros. Let's go ahead and search for this particular game on the MoneyCraft app. I'm gonna give the app a few seconds to search on all the sites to make sure that we have the lowest possible offer. Now once the app is done searching, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna filter the results and I'm gonna sort it by pricing. So what we're looking for here is a PSN key for the PlayStation 4 that can be activated in North America. And as you can see here, we have a PSN key that we can activate in North America. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. Another key that we can see here is the US and Canadian version, which is also basically North America, so we can go ahead and open that too. As you can see, the particular region here is North America, and this is selling for only 6 euros. Sorry, 6 pounds. Now, if you come back to the secret marketplace, you can see that it's selling here for 18 euros. That is about at least a 10 euro profit. So I can go ahead and buy this particular game. I can say buy 10 keys, and then I can just simply come back and list it on this platform and easily make 10 euros in profit. That's how powerful the MoneyCraft system is. Now, how did I know what games to look for? Well, that's all uncovered inside the MoneyCraft training. When you get your hands on MoneyCraft, you'll be given a full PDF training along with a few video clips, as well as this particular app, which is going to save you hours of time researching. With the MoneyCraft training, you will be able to see exactly how you can find games, how you can list them on the secret marketplace, and then how you can quickly get into profit in as soon as 48 hours from today. And honestly, this is perhaps the easiest and the fastest way to make money online. As you just saw, it barely took me a few minutes to find these particular games, and I can go ahead and get my hands on these, and then I can just go ahead and relist them on the secret marketplace, and we'll be ready to make profit. So That's how simple the MoneyCraft system is. I highly recommend that you go ahead and get your hands on it immediately before the price increases. I'm gonna see you on the inside. However, we have to warn you, we don't spend a lot of time handing you a bunch of fluff. The idea is to help you get into profit as soon as possible so you can have confidence in the method. And when you combine everything we are offering you today with the MoneyCraft package, your success is practically guaranteed. But even with that being said, we are offering you a 100% risk-free money-back guarantee over the next 30 days. Yep, that's right. Just use the information and software included with your MoneyCraft account today, and if you don't get the results like we said, we'll refund you every penny you invested today. All we ask is that you give this a fair and honest try. If you do and can't get results, we'll personally get on with you and try to help you. And if we can't, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. So, if you're interested in pulling in a full-time income with only a couple of hours of work per day, make sure you scroll down and view all the details on this page. But you'll need to act fast because MoneyCraft is only available at a discount for a limited time. Once the timer runs out on this page, you will be forced to pay more for MoneyCraft, which even at double the price is a steal. But why wait when you can get access today for only pennies on the dollar? So do yourself a favor and scroll down to see all the details included with MoneyCraft. See for yourself how others have made an incredible income with very little work, as well as how simple this method is to get started with. Once you're done, make sure to click the button below to get access to MoneyCraft today. And get ready to level up your income with ease. Go ahead and get access now. I'll see you on the other side.